In this example, you see this is an external CSS. This is my main HTML document, and I've what given a link to my CSS file, which is here. Okay, I've linked this particular file externally. It is not on the same page with the HTML. It is somewhere else, and then I've linked it on the HTML. So you can see the link, the hypertext reference, which is the file I'm referencing. You can see the name of the file here, and it has a type. The type is what? Test/CSS, and a relationship of what? Style sheet. This particular syntax should be in this way so that you can link external files. Now, using external CSS, you need link. So the link element can be used in an HTML document to tell the browser where to find it. We use a lot of links in our HTML, so we should understand links by now. Every link should contain 3 attributes: an href, which is hypertext reference, which specifies the folder or the place to find the particular CSS file. It's also what contain another attribute called type. The type also specifies the type of documents linked to. So in this case, we said our type value should be what? Test/CSS. And the relationship, the rel also specifies the relationship between the HTML page and the file it is linked to. And in this case, we said since we are linking it to a CSS file, the value of the rel should be what? Star sheet. It should be what? Star sheet.